My KCET 2025 aspirants, so now your verification slip is also out. Now all of you are very close to the counseling process. So it is important to know what are the different colleges available, what is their cutoff, placements, so that you can make an informed decision, informed choice list for your counseling process. So for that reason, and as many of you are interested in computer science branches, so in this video we are going to discuss the top 20 colleges and their CSE cutoff. We'll be talking about whether hostel facilities are there or not, the fees, which is very important, and placements. Okay, so these four factors about top 20 colleges we'll be talking, and if you are an aspirant or willing to take computer science, then this video is definitely for you. So now let's see our first college, RV College of Engineering. So for RV College of Engineering, the computer science cutoff was 501. So this data is for KCET 2024 last round cutoff. Okay, and the highest package was 56.25 LPA and the average package was 15 LPA. And the fees will vary from 1,07,000 to 1,15,000, and you will have hostel facilities in this particular college. Now moving on to the second college in our list, that is MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, another top college of Karnataka. So here the CSE cutoff was 2012, and if you see the highest package was 48 LPA and the average package was 7.66 LPA. Now talking about the hostel facilities, yes, it has a hostel, and we have fees from 1,07,000 to 1,15,000. Okay, now moving to the third college, Sri Jayachama Rajendra College of Engineering. So here the cutoff for computer science is 2983, and if you see the highest package is 60 LPA and the average package is 9 LPA. But this data is of 2023, the latest data of 2024 and 5 is not updated. Now coming to hostel facilities, yes, and the fees here varies from 42,866 to 1,15,956. Now this college has both aided and unaided courses. So if you are taking admission in aided courses, so the fees will be less, and for unaided the fees will be high. Now moving to the next college, that is college number 4, BMS College of Engineering. So here the cutoff is 2,995, and you have the highest package is 33.1 LPA, average package is 10.03 LPA, and this is also of 2023 data. Now hostel facilities is definitely there, and the fees here also varies from 42,866 to 1,15,956. The same thing, aided and unaided courses will have different fees. Now we will have college number 5, that is UBCE, University of Visvesvaraya College of Engineering. Here the cutoff for computer science is 4914, and remember these are all general merit cutoff. Okay, then you have highest package here is 26.5 LPA, and there was no data regarding the average package, and you have hostel facilities, and since it is a government college, the fees here is only 48,000. Okay, now moving to next college number 6, JSS Science and Technological University. So it is also a sister college for that is SJCE, so placement data will remain same. So the cutoff for computer science here is 5248, and highest package is 60 LPA, average package is 9 LPA, and the fees is around 1,07,495. Okay. Now moving to 7th one, Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering. So here the cutoff for computer science is 5,996. You have highest package is 56 LPA and the average package is 5 LPA. Then you have hostel facilities, and the college fees is 1,07,495. Now moving towards the 8th college, that is KLE Technological University. This is of Dharwad. Okay, so here the cutoff for computer science is 7,498, and you have highest package 43 LPA, average package 7 LPA, and then hostel facilities are there, and the fees we have 42,866 to 1,07,495. So this also has some aided and unaided courses. Now moving to college number 9, that is Sidaganga Institute of Technology located in Tumkur. So here you have CSE cutoff of 8,266. Highest package is 34 LPA, average package is 9 LPA, and yes, we have hostel facilities and the fees is around 1,07,495. And remember, these fees are of 2024-2025 according to the data of 2024 and 2025. This year fees details have not yet been released, so probably it will be somewhere near around this value. Next, coming to college number 10 is Bangalore Institute of Technology, or we call it BIT. Here we have the CSE cutoff at 8,598 and the highest package is 58 LPA, average package is 10 LPA, and you have fees of 1,07,495 according to the previous year data. Next we have 11th College National Institute of Engineering located at Mysore. So here the CSE cutoff is 8,726 and you have highest package 70 LPA, average package 10.5 LPA. Hostel facilities are definitely there, and here also the fees will vary from 42,800 to 1,07,000 based on your aided and unaided courses. Again, this is last year data, so this year the fees might vary slightly. Okay. Next we have college number 12, KLS Gogte Institute of Technology. So here the cutoff for computer science is 12,020, and then we have highest package 51 LPA, average package 6.54 LPA. Then you have hostel facilities, yes, and then the fees varies from 1,07,495. Okay, according to 2024-5 data. Now coming to college number 13, we have RV Institute of Technology and Management, again located in Bangalore. Here the cutoff for computer science is 12,063. You have highest package 29 LPA, average package 10 LPA, hostel facilities are there, and the fees are around 1,07,495. Next we have 14th college, that is Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology. Here we have the cutoff for computer science as 12,255. You have 30 LPA highest package, average package 7 LPA, hostel facilities, yes, it is there, and the fees varies from 42,866 to 1,07,495 again according to last year data. Okay. So as you can see, two ranges are there. So we have here aided and unaided courses. Now coming to BMS Institute of Technology. Here the computer science cutoff is 12,689. You have highest package 46.4 LPA, average package 8.07 LPA. Then you have hostel facilities, yes, and we have fees of around 1,07,495. Now we have 16th College Sri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara College of Engineering. Here the CSE cutoff is around 13,737, and you can see the package for highest package is 43.9 or almost 44 LPA, and you have average package of 6.59 or 6.6 LPA. Yes, hostel facilities are there and the fees is around 1,07,495. Now we have next 17th College BNM Institute of Technology. Here the cutoff for computer science is 14,957. You have 22.7 LPA and the highest package, and the average package is 6.10 LPA. Hostel facilities are there and the fees is around 1,07,495. Now coming to the last three college, 18th one RNS Institute of Technology. Here the computer science cutoff is 15,492, and you can see the highest package is 41.642 LPA, and we didn't have any official data regarding the average package of this particular college. Then you have hostel facilities, yes, and the fees is around 1,07,495. Okay, this is per year fees. Then we have New Horizon College of Engineering. Here you have computer science cutoff as around 15,962. The highest package is 32.5 LPA, average package is 6.5 LPA. Then you have hostel facilities and the fees is around 1,07,495 according to 24-25 data. Next we have 28th last college in the list, that is CMR Institute of Technology. Here we have 1709.05 as the CSE cutoff, and the highest package is 44.1 LPA and the average package is 7 LPA. And then we have hostel facilities, yes, and the fees is 1,07,495, right? So students, these were the top 20 colleges that you can refer if you are aiming for computer science branch, and all the best for your counseling process. So start preparing your option entry. Do consider these colleges and your rank and the cutoff of the last year. Okay, so thank you, and if you have any doubt, please put down in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe the channel.